Hey guys, it's Danny back here. I'm gonna flip us around with 937 Woodworks. I wanted to do a quick review on my Milwaukee fuel. It's the M2 or V2, I would say. Brad nailer. I love this tool. It is a everyday use tool in my shop. It literally saves me a lot of work from having to drill more pocket holes. And everybody knows how, if they do furniture, about the pocket holes. So this tool here saves you some work on the pocket holes. I searched and searched and searched to find the right brad nailer. I looked at DeWalt. I looked at Hitachi or Metatabo. I looked at all of them. And this tool here seemed to have the best reviews. It has a 3-piece for right here. It's 3 different heads, one for diagonal, one for a shorter hit, and then just your basic one. Now, I use mine on many projects, but it was well worth it. It's right around $300 or $379, depending on, just depends on where you get. I got this one at Home Depot. It with my Home Depot credit card, so it I think it was like $3 something, but it was worth it. I got that, but I just got the tool. I didn't get the batteries. I already had drills and Milwaukee drills and stuff, so I use those for that. But what I like about it is, and a lot of guys don't tell you in their videos, and I want to make it clear because I didn't ever, and I've never heard it. You can do 2-inch or 1 1/4 brad nails, 1 1/4 inch brad nails. And as long as it's 18 gauge, this will shoot it. So I wanted to do a quick demonstration to show you guys. And disclaimer, don't be like me and put your hand on the back of a board and shoot the nail through your finger, because I've definitely done it. I haven't shot myself with it, but I put my hand on the back of a board and grabbed it because my daughter's hand was there, because she was wanting to help me, and I got my hand. So disclaimer, it will hurt you. So right now, I'll take it on the highest setting out. You just spin this little knob here. If you want it to not stick in far, you just stick it on here, and it'll give you a good nail. And then you can cut it off or however you're gonna do it. But now, if you want to go deeper, it'll drop back like this. It goes, you can see it moving. Then you just take it, push down, and it's got a really good action, and it's not too heavy in your hand. It's not about it. Weighs a little more than a drill does, and it's got the CO2 in there, or nitrogen. It's one of the two in there that gives you your power instead of they don't use oxygen in it. I've seen a video on it or something of why. But and you can also, it's got a power button on it so it don't kill your battery, but you can also switch it over if you're going to be like needing to do multi-shooting. Just so you can see, it does multi-shooting too. So that way, whoever is using this, they can they will be able to get a different variety if they just want to shoot one nail. And a lot of times I keep it over on one brad nail, because I don't really shoot trim. I use it on furniture, so I'll hit it once and then I set it down, move, adjust. I'm not hitting it, but it's a good feature if you're going to be using it. And it really doesn't kill your battery either. I mean, this battery's been in there 2 weeks, and I mean, it's sitting at 3. Just you know, I think the power turns off. I've never left it on, but it might turn off on its own after a while. But it's a good feature to have there. And then basically how you load it, this slides out. I got 2-inch right now, but 1 1/4 will fit it, and it shoots them just fine too. Because certain things you can't use 2-inch; it's too long. And I've never tried to shoot 1-inch. I don't even know if you can. I haven't tried it. But I just wanted to give you a review on this and tell you it's a great purchase, and it will save woodworkers a lot of work, especially for things like on coffee tables, putting the stretcher bars that go across for support. It helps with that. Then you just fill your hole, sand it, and paint over it. Obviously, you can't use it if you're going to be staining the whole thing, but if it's just going to be painted, it's quick. It holds the weight. I mean, all they are support bars for the top of the tabletop. So it's a good thing. And, you know, and I used it on my workbench. I mean, I built my whole workbench and stuck the top down with it. So, I mean, it's got my whole workbench. And pardon me, my workbench is dirty right now. I've been so swamped with work. But I just really wanted to give you guys a quick review on this now that I've had a few months to use it. And I love it. It's a wonderful tool. I can't praise it anymore. It's really good. I mean, obviously when I make mistakes, I'll overshoot and shoot out the wood. They're pretty easy to get out. The brads are, so it's really not bad. But I'm gonna go ahead and give this a thumbs up for one of the best tools I've ever used, and I think you guys should buy it, purchase it, however you can do it. But it's a must-have for me and my workshop. All right, guys, thanks. God bless and have a good day.